ounces. Anyways, 2 cans of black beans and then 15 ounces of salsa. So I got both of these from Costco.
Oh my god. Those
It's good because it has your tomatoes and then it also already has a bunch of onion chopped in it, so you don't actually have to do that, so you get to skip a step. 4 cups of veggie broth. I also had some onions from my last recipe, so I just threw them in anyways. I didn't have tomato paste, so I added some marinara sauce, so I'm sure it's fine. I have chili powder, but it also says cumin. Everyone keeps asking me for cumin, all these friggin' recipes, and I don't have any. So, whatever. This is gonna have to work.